I'm building for what's next at Carey Business School by continuing my work with DevMinds. DevMinds is an AI-powered social-emotional learning tool extending care beyond the session for neurodiverse individuals. Some of the benefits for engineering students to get a business degree is being able to understand how you take your innovations and can sustain them. Coming from a technical background where all our language is dense and is really intense, getting an MBA has given me a toolbox to translate the technical information and knowledge into concise and action-oriented business language that is important to different audiences. The faculty here are extremely knowledgeable. They've helped me see the bigger picture and design for the customer in mind. During my time here, I've got to explore the field of consulting as well as client-facing work through my internship this summer as a tech strategy consultant. What I love about Carey Business School is it's giving me the tools to help grow my startup with a human-centric approach.